Hello, 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 men and women of God. I'm coming before you. This is Coach D, the same old Coach D that you've already known. And if you don't know me, then hello and welcome. I am coming to let you know that as I answer God's call on my life, I want to welcome you to be a part of this journey. I imagine that this journey is going to be very new for all of us, myself included. And as we journey together, I am here as a support system for those of us who just don't know where to go, don't know where to grow, but you're totally looking forward to doing something new in your life and something new in God. What I am telling you right now is that you don't have to have it all figured out. I'm not telling you that you need to be a part of this church or that you already are a part of any other church and that you need to leave that church to be a part of this church. But what I am saying is God has given us a time in this season to join a community. If you feel like this community is something that you can get in with, then go right ahead, join us. We will welcome you here. We will welcome you always. I want to remind you that we don't always feel like every place is the best place for us. And that's exactly why we are here. That's exactly why I'm going to invite you here. You may not feel like you're comfortable in other places. You may not even find yourself as a member of a current body of believers or a church. But I'm inviting you here because sometimes you just don't fit. Sometimes you might feel like a misfit, and whether it fits, whether it doesn't fit, whether you fit or whether you don't fit, then I just want to welcome you here. Okay, so men and women, I just want you to be ready and willing to take a bold stand for Christ, and just know that we will be doing some work. We will walk through the word together. We will also be working on spiritual gifts. We will also be working on manifesting the fruits and the gifts of the Spirit, not just spiritual gifts themselves. But I want you to take that into consideration. And if that's something that you want to be a part of, then I invite you here. I welcome you here. If you need new restoration, if you need new beginnings, if you need to be a new creation, New Hope is for you. Welcome.